One of my duties is to operate and maintenance of mechanical equipment. One of this equipment is diesel engine generator. Today, we have scheduled maintenance of one of our diesel engine generator. This 33 kVA generator is used to still run the water pump to load water into the water tank to continue to supply water to our locator in the event of that there is power interruption due to a storm that may damage power lines or scheduled maintenance of power lines. One of the maintenances we will be doing is changing the oil of this generator. To start the change oil, we need to run the generator for 3 to 5 minutes to bring up the temperature of the oil for easy to drain. Optional, disconnect the battery to prevent accidentally starting the generator while doing maintenance activity. Draining the old oil from the engine. Open the valve in the drain hose to flow and drain the old oil. We are using an improvised pan to collect the old oil because of the tight space under the engine. While waiting to drain the old engine oil, we check and clean the air filter and the casing. We use a blower to remove the dust and debris from the filter. The use of air filter is to protect the engine system by retaining particles in the air. This filtration prevents premature wear of the parts of the engine. After cleaning the air filter, clean the casing and install it back properly. Replace the oil filter. We remove the oil filter using a chain wrench. You can also use strap wrench or oil filter wrench. Replacing the oil filter at the same time as the oil helps prolong the life of the generator. Installation of new oil filter. Add some lube to the new filter and screw it in by hand. Just be sure not to over tighten the filter and damage it. Next is to drain and clean the water separator. The purpose of fuel water separator is to act as an added line of defense to the fuel system, filtering water and particulates from the fuel before it reaches the fuel filter, ensuring only a flow of clean fuel reaches to the engine. Water contamination to the engine fuel system can prove detrimental to the engine health. After draining the fuel water separator, remove it gently by hand to prevent it from damage. After removing it, clean the water separator and install it back properly. After completely draining the old oil, fill the engine with the new oil. The grade of the engine oil we use is a 15W40. The 15W40 engine oil offers excellent stability, engine protection, and high temperature performance for heavy-duty diesel and high-performance engines.
Wala pa yan sa bakin pare. Wala pa ang mga engine. Bababa pa yan, pagkabuhay. naman. Yan, pag lumatas start natin, mga 5 minutes. Kita ito mga ganyan. Baka kung na dyan. Pre, tatapos din. Para ba masyadong gulo.
We also replace the fuel filter. We remove the fuel filter can using adjustable wrench.
Para may kasamang oring yan. Sa lago. Yung bago patabi na ba? Right. Para sa kapalilog.
The fuel filter screens dirt and rust particles from the fuel, keeping them from entering the engine and causing damage. If debris enters the engine, even tiny rust particles, it causes unnecessary wear and tear on the engine components.
Wait na pare. Hello. Naku, saan? Nandun ako sa gate to. Nandun ako sa gate to. Oo. Oo. Lokan mo pare ba? Para bibilid. Sana, bibilid na lang.
After replacing the fuel filter, prime the fuel system to bleed fuel to remove the air lock on the fuel system. Air locking in the fuel system will result in the erratic running of the engine and may result in the stopping of the engine.
Tagal-tagal pare yan. Pare yung kabilang pang-blade mo. Yan.
After priming the fuel system, connect the battery to test run the generator.
Takpan pare, para gumana ayos. Yung adjust, yung adjustable nudge nasa. Pare, yung wala adjustable nudge. Kaya pare, para pare. Para gumana ayos pare. Start pare. Yan, buksan mo yung ano. So, yung natin ginagawa yung buksan mo din yan kanina. Konting bukas lang. Pinalabas na, amoy na eh. Okay.
Pwede pa tayo pagkakaroon ng kaya.
Check. Ayos ah.
After priming and bleeding the fuel system to remove the airlock, we test run the generator to check if there are leaks in the oil system, fuel system, and cooling system of the generator. After the test run and the generator ran smoothly, we conducted housekeeping to end our maintenance activity for the 33 kVA diesel engine generator.
Need housekeeping. Dapat makinis na taga sa base track. Tapos parang yung mga bote, isa lang sa inyo na lang din sa ano ayos. Yung mga bote din. Pati yung pre-pack na lang muna. Tara natin isa. Maganda yung tuloy-tuloy na ang. Dapat ko na lang. Tuloy-tuloy na.